Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics: device model, Disney Plus app version, and that your account is active. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, force quit and relaunch the app and restart the device to clear transient glitches. Then open a show and go straight to the audio and subtitles menu. Choose your preferred language. You do this because many subtitle errors stem from stale app state or wrong language selection, so these first actions fix most cases quickly. Now you dig deeper. Toggle subtitles off and then back on to force a reload of subtitle streams, and if available, try an alternate language, then switch back. That refreshes server selections. Make sure to change playback quality or disable hardware acceleration in app or device settings because decoding issues can drop captions. If options are missing, sign out and sign in, and only then reinstall the app. These steps reset corrupted locals. To finish, test different titles to confirm whether the problem is per show or app-wide. This helps identify server or content issues. Make sure your device firmware is up to date and that your network is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa to rule out streaming packet loss. If subtitles still fail, gather evidence. Screenshot, app version, device model, and time of occurrence, then contact Disney Plus support. That single troubleshooting tip will speed resolution if fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.